After registration process, in the main menu, go to Profile and tap on Personal Info. Make sure your contact information and your driver's license, vehicle, and insurance details are complete. In Extra Services, you can choose additional benefits to expand your offering and earn more, such as helping with catering setup or providing blankets for moving services. Completing your registration in full and accurately is key for quicker review and approval. Once it's approved, you'll be able to go online and start taking orders. Approval process. When your registration gets approved, you will receive an email or text from our onboarding team. You're now ready to switch to online mode and start taking orders. Your approval may be delayed if your area has low delivery demand. Rest assured, we will contact you as soon as we have a steady order flow to offer. App Overview. The Senpex Courier App's main menu has 4 sections: Orders, Earnings, Chat, and Profile. Orders gives you access to your delivery history. You can filter your orders by assigned, completed, or available for completion. You can use the calendar to see your orders by date or search for a specific order name or ID in the search bar. In Earnings, you'll find your financial information. At the top, you can see the amount to collect in the next payout cycle. In the list below, you can see all the payouts you have received. In Chat, you can exchange messages with the Senpex community. You can also contact Senpex support via the Contact Support section in Profile and chat with customers and Senpex support inside each order. In Profile, you can manage all your personal information. The Notification Center is always visible in the top right corner. Here you will receive all events related to your work. Handling orders. Each order ID card contains the key details about the order. Order ID and name, route, distance, pickup date and time, and price. You can review the order details by clicking the order card. The card will expand to the whole page, showing you all the extra info plus an interactive map of your route. The middle bar helps you navigate the delivery details. You can check if the delivery is set as urgent or scheduled, your route, and the extra services if required. To take the order, hit the Confirm Order button. If you're registered for multiple roles such as driver and mover or helper, you can take the order as one of your roles. Your chosen role will appear in the bottom right corner of the Order ID card. The Show All Routes and Details button will give you the address list and contact people included in the order. Once you start the Routes tab will open automatically. The Navigation button sends the route to your preferred navigation tool. When you arrive at a pickup address, update your status by tapping the Arrived for Pickup button. Once you have the item in your possession, upload a picture of it as proof. Make sure your pictures are clear and high resolution. Next, confirm the pickup by tapping the Picked Up button. If you have questions or need assistance, tap on the 3 dots menu to chat with Senpex support. Once you arrive at your drop-off address, update your status and check the delivery description for additional instructions. Upload an image of the delivery and complete the drop-off. Whenever possible, include the suite or house number in the frame as proof to avoid incomplete delivery complaints. When the order requests a receiver's signature, tap the signature icon, ask the receiver to sign as proof of delivery, and hit Submit Signature. If the ordering, you're now ready to set the order as delivered. If you arrive at the drop-off address and can't complete the delivery, contact Senpex support and ask for confirmation to skip the address. Hit the 3-dot button, tap Skip Route, and select the reason for the failed delivery. You can now move on with your route. Once the order is completed, your earnings will be updated. Customers can schedule repeated orders to be completed at regular days and times throughout the week. When you accept a repeated order, you are committing to completing the entire delivery schedule. Check the dates to ensure you will be available. Once you've taken a repeated order, it will appear in the Repeated tab. Each particular delivery will appear in your calendar and Assigned tab with a 3-hour notice. The process for completing each delivery in a repeated order is the same as for individual orders. General guidelines. Some guidelines for a better delivery experience. Keeping your phone in Always Share Location mode is key to delivery transparency. This feature allows customers to track their orders in real time, improving their satisfaction and increasing the likelihood of better tips and ratings. Payments are processed on the next billing cycle with payouts issued each Monday and Friday. Once processed, transactions typically take 1 to 2 business days to appear in your bank account. Please ensure your bank details are updated under Profile Payment Methods. The verification process for this information usually takes up to 2 hours. To meet the order requirements and ensure customer trust, always arrive at the pickup location with the type of vehicle specified in the app. If you change vehicles or drive more than one, remember to update the information in your profile. Ensuring a professional appearance enhances our customers' experience and also promotes safety. So please, no slippers or sandals while on duty. There are no penalties for being online and not accepting delivery jobs or for canceling delivery jobs before confirmation. However, once an order is confirmed, we count on you to follow through. Cancellations after confirmation may impact your rating. Best of luck on the road.